Okay, so now we have to find mean for the given data. Class interval is 200 to 250, 250 to 300, 300 to 350, 350 to 400, 400 to 450, and corresponding frequencies are 12, 14, 8, 6, 10. For finding out mean, for finding out mean, we have three formulas. That is, the first formula is x bar is equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. It is direct mean method. It is direct mean method. And one more formula is x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. It is assumed mean method. And one more thing is x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi uy by sigma fi into h. It is step deviation method. Now, for every question in the statistics, we have two columns. One second. Okay, so now we have to find mean. So first I will find mean by direct mean method. So the formula is x bar is equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Now see here, this is class interval, this is frequency. Xi is midpoint of class interval. What is the midpoint of 200 and 250? It is 225. How will you find it? Xi is nothing but lower limit plus upper limit by 2. That is 200 plus 250. 200 plus 250 by 2, that means 550 by 2, that is equal to 225. Or you can directly guess 225. 250 300 midpoint is 275. 300 350 midpoint is 325. 354 400 midpoint is 375, and 400 450 midpoint is 425. It is fi, it is xi. Now our formula by direct mean method is x bar is equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. That means directly we will multiply and summation. Okay, now see here, fi into xi, that means multiplying this column with this column. 12 into 225. We'll solve all this rough work here. One is 12 into 225. One is how much it is? 12 5s are 60. 12 2s are 24. 24 plus 6 30. 12 2s are 24 plus 3 27. Okay, so that is 2700. And 14 into 275. 14 into 275. Well, write all these things. 8 into 325. 8 into 325. 6 into 375. And 10 into 425. 10 into 425 is 4250. Next, 14 5s are 70. 14 7s are 98 plus 1 105. 14 2s are 28 plus 10 38. So 3850. And 8 into 325. 8 5s are 40. 8 2s are 16 plus 4 20. 8 3 is 24 plus 2 26. 6 5 is 30. 6 7 is 42 plus 3 45. 6 3 is 18 plus 4 22. 2600 2250. 2600 2250 and 4250. Now we have to summation of all these things. Sigma fi xi means add all these things. Okay, that means 2700 3850 2600 2250 4250. So 0 5 5 10 15. 7 plus 1 8 16. 22, 24, 26, 2 to 4, 7, 9, 11, 15. That means 15,650. 15,650. What we have to find? We have to find x bar. X bar is sigma fi xi by sigma fi. So directly we will substitute here. X bar is equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Sigma fi means the summation of frequencies. So sigma fi 16, 24, 24 plus 14, 38, 38 plus 12, 40. Okay, 38 plus 12, 50. Okay, so x bar is equal to sigma fi xi is 15,650 by 50. 100 cancel. 5 ones are 5 3s are 15 and 5 13s are 65. So x bar is equal to 313. So that is the required answer. So that is the required answer. So we'll just so let us solve this thing. So we have to find mean by step deviation method. So step deviation method formula, x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi uy by sigma fi into h. Sigma fi into h. So that means we have to find a uy. So what are they? So let us solve this thing. So we have the same steps. We have to find xi. Xi is the middle value of class interval. What is middle value of 200, 250? 225. Or else how can you find 200 plus 250 by 2? 250 plus 300 by 2. Like this you can find. Okay. What is mid value? 225. For 250, 300, the mid value is 275. What is the gap here? 50. Add those gap. 225 plus 50, 275. 275 plus 50, 325. 325 plus 50, 375. And 375 plus 50, 425. Okay. Now in this xi, assume any value as a mean. That is assumed mean. So I can assume this center value as a. And we have to find deviation. Di is equal to xi minus a. Di is equal to xi minus a. 225 minus 325 minus 100. Xi minus a. 225 minus 325 minus 100. 275 minus 325 minus 50. 325 minus 325 0. 375 minus 325 50. 425 minus 325 is 100. We should get the same values here and here. Minus 100 plus 100. Minus 50 plus 50. 0. If we get like this, then our answer is correct. We are going in the correct manner. Now we have to find ui. Ui is di by h. Di by h. Where di we know. H is centimeter class interval. What is interval here? 50. 50. Okay, like that. So minus 100 by 50 minus 2 minus 50 by 50 minus 1 0 by anything 0. 50 by 50 1. 100 by 50 2. That means here also should get same values. Minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2. And what we have to find? Fi into ui. Fi into ui. Fi into ui. Fi is this. Ui is this. So 12 into minus 2 minus 24. 14 into minus 1 minus 14. 8 into 0 0. 6 1s are 6. 10 2s are 20. And we have to summation of all these things. Do summation of all these things. Fi ui. Minus 24 minus 14 is minus 38. Minus 38 plus 6 minus 32. Minus 32 plus 20 minus 12. Okay. Now we have to find x bar is equal to what is a? 325 plus sigma fi ui. Sigma fi is minus 12 by sigma fi is 50 into h is 50. And cancel 50 50. X bar is equal to 325 minus 12. X bar is equal to 313. X bar is equal to 313. So we got the same answer. If even though we can do the different process, the process may be different. Either we can do by direct mean method or assumed mean method or step deviation method. The answer will come same. I will show what we have done earlier. See here, what we got x bar 313. This is by direct mean method. Now what we are getting here 313. This is by step deviation method. Other method is also there, that is assumed mean method. So you just directly substitute here fi dy value, what we got here fi dy values, product and summation, you will get the same answer. Okay.